Hello guys, welcome back again to another awesome tutorial. Today's video I will discuss how to create your own canvas size. Before we create a design, we need a canvas where you can put your masterpiece. In this video I will discuss how to create a proper setup for your canvas or paper. So let's start it. To create a canvas, first you need to go to File. Then click New or Ctrl+N. Then it will pop up. First, your file name or design name. Second, preset. In the preset drop-down menu, you can find such common sizes as letter, legal, tabloid, etc. Typing in exact values for height and width gives you more control over the size and orientation of your page. Third, width and height. Change the page size by typing in new values for width and height. Fourth, resolution. Resolution is the number of pixels on a printed area of an image. The higher the resolution, the more pixels there are on the page, the better the quality of the image. However, high resolution increases the size of the file. The standard recommended resolution for printed images is 150 and 300. For web images is 72. Fifth, color mode. Choose a color mode that will best fit your project. For example, when making a graphic for a website, choose RGB. When making an image for print, choose CMYK. 6. Background contents. Choose the background, white, color or transparent. When you have entered all of your document settings, click OK. So we have a canvas now. We can now create a graphics image by your own ideas. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching.